take it.
Kid, you got some spirit.
Please let me take it.
I know it's unfair, it's a bohemian affair. I know it has no flair. I know depression is around, I know I can't fool around. I know that I can't relax, cause I know it has an accent. It's maxed out on strength and it's done to my brain. It drives me insane, cause we're not on the same wavelength.
I know you got spirit, I'll make you desperate. Now let me hear it. You want a free spirit, I change the world, I'm having a ball. A fast fight into the nightfall. Now let's have a brawl in the shoppingtown mall. Let's get mauled. Let's do a crawl through the stalls. Let's break our spirits. Get away to the sky. It's both dry. Let's give it to the sky, cause we're both dry.
Kid, you got some spirit. Please don't let me take it. Kid, you got some spirit. Now let me hear it. Thought you couldn't bear it. Wear it like your own skin. Wear it like it's built in. Wear it like a thin line. A twin divine. Kid, you got some spirit. It almost aligns.